Oh, hi, Wayne White here again. I'm going to do another painting from the back deck, and this time from a photograph that I took a few years ago. I took this in Monterey, and it's a single, and you can see it's kind of a gray, uninteresting day. But I'm going to show you how to make it a more interesting scene. Well, what I've done, I've changed the composition. I have the seagull in it, but I've raised the horizon where the ocean is. I've raised that, and I've taken this little seagull over here and put him on a rock over on the right side. So I have more rock. And one reason I've changed the horizon here on the ocean is because the seagull is white, and I want the seagull to stand out. So I want to have more darks, like I can have a darker ocean there, so the eagle will come out better. So with that, I'm going to start with. I'm going to start with, well, I've got a 300-pound paper, so I don't have to worry about it bending. So I don't have to water the back of it. But I'm going to water the sky area and around the seagull. The seagull is white. So I'm going to try to avoid putting color where I want the seagull. Okay, I'm going to let this dry a little bit. This is pretty much most of the painting, really. The rocks are the more difficult part. And painting rocks, you really don't paint actually what you see, you paint what you want the rocks to be. So I kind of made up the rocks based upon what I see, but what will work, but with colors that will work in my composition. So I'm now going to work on the seagulls. Let's see. Okay, it's turned off for a minute. Put in a little shadow on the seagull. Come back later when it's dry and put in some rock there under his tail that I left. All right, well, that's the end of part one. I'm about 90% finished, and next time we come on, I'll finish up the seagulls. Then we'll work on the rocks, and that will be the end of it. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again. Bye now.